Good afternoon, everyone. It is October 16th, fifth period, here at KIT Iizuka campus for English 7C. Let's see, 7C, we are on week 3 over here. And this is the explanation that I will put on YouTube after I finish recording it here right now. But class 2's explanation is available. And of course, every week, that's why I do these explanations so that you can, if you don't come to class, catch up at least on the main assignments that we have. So here, let's talk about the main assignments for this week. You have two important assignments. One is the listening quiz. This is your second listening quiz. It's the same as the first listening quiz. You will have another goldfish article, this time between me and my friend Kana. And she's talking about her environmental activities. Do your best to listen to that and to answer the questions. You can take the test up to 3 times, take the quiz up to 3 times, and Moodle will still remember your best score. So don't worry about making sure that yourself, Moodle will do it automatically. Okay, and every week you have your reflection. Now, this week's reflection is a YouTube video, and this is actually all in Japanese. So it's not an English video, but I wanted you to hear from this guy's experience what happened to him when he did his shadow talking for 90 days. This is only 90 days, but his experience, I think, was really important because if you still think, well, you know, it's good, but it's too hard, he can tell you a little bit about how he felt. He did it for 90 days. I did it for 5 years, every day. And even though it was only 90 days, you can see right here, it says, yabai koto ni. He actually had some pretty good results. But in any case, watch the video, read all the way through it, and then I want you to tell me, well, the question is, what do you think of shadow talking? And the answer should be 1 paragraph. Write it on a piece of paper, take a picture of it. And 1 paragraph is at least 3 to 5 sentences. So start learning to write in longer sections, give more information in your ideas. So give me 1 paragraph, about 3 to 5 sentences on what you think about shadow talking. So that's it. Your listening quiz and your shadowing. If you haven't done your no, you did. Everybody did reflection number 2. So that's good. And yeah. Oh, this week I want to do the shadowing for the article that you did for the first listening quiz. We did this for the first listening quiz. Now this time we can take a longer look at it. And if we have time today, I want to look at this piece of software called Counter. I'll explain it a little bit later after I'm done this English explanation. But we'll download it and we'll use it to try to measure how much and how quickly you can speak when you're speaking in English. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, that was all I wanted to say. Well, if you have any questions, remember, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come and talk to me in class. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.